Welcome guys, today I have a new package that is just arrived from Spring. Here, look. So this is something that I was waiting for a while, and I'm very happy to unbox it with you. So let's get on. Right. Are you ready? And boom! This is the new sweater for DivByDiv. I'm gonna use it in the next videos. I keep the shirt as well, but I may use this more. And I wanted to show it to you because you can buy as well this sweater if you want. And I'll drop the link in the description of this video, so you can check out this and the other gadgets of the 2022 new brand line. Okay, so let me put it on and let's see. All right, cool. Check this out. All right, so what do you think? I think it's very cool. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you like it, and as always, happy coding, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.